Hello, welcome to Math Pro by Bloom Academy. In this video, we are going to learn division of two digits by one digit with or without remainder. Okay, so for instance, if you're given 8 divided by 2, okay, so basically, what does it mean when you say 8 divide, what does it mean when you say divide 8 by 2? Excuse me. Okay, that means take 2, count it until you get to 8, and you say 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 times. And so we say 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0. Okay, sorry, what about 9 divided by 2? Okay, so it's the same thing. Take 2, count until you get to 9. So you say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You realize we passed 9, so it doesn't divide evenly. Okay, so it is 4, and there is a remainder. So let's do it by long division. Okay, for 9 divided by 2, we do it by long division. Here is a long division sign. 9 is in here, and that's a 2. The 2 is a divisor. 9 is called a dividend. So 9 divided by 2 is 4, okay? Because if you use 5, you've gone over. So it is 4. As soon as you get this 4, okay, you take the 4, you multiply by 2, which is the divisor. You put it here under the 9, subtract, you get 1. And then you ask yourself, is a 1 enough to divide the 2? No, it's not enough. So we call it a remainder. Okay, so we say 9 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 1. Let's check if our answer is correct. How do we check? It is the divisor times the quotient, 2 times 4, and then we add our remainder. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Our answer is correct. Let's do another one. Okay, 17 divided by 3. Okay, let's do long division. So 17 divided by 3. Okay, so we look at it, it's 2 digit. We look at the first digit. Is it enough to divide 3? No, it's not enough. So what do? We bring the second digit and it will be 17. And we're going to divide 17 by 3. And if we count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, if we go to the next one, we've gone to 18. We've gone too far. So 17 divided by 3, it is 5. Okay? 5. As soon as we get this 5, what do? We take it, multiply by 3, and then we put it down here. Okay? So as soon as you get a quotient, the number here is called a quotient. As soon as you get a quotient, you multiply by the divisor again, you put it down here. You draw a line, you subtract. 17 divided by 17 minus 15 is 2. And then you ask yourself, is it 2 big enough to divide a 3? No, not enough. So we call it what? A remainder. So 17 divided by 3 is 15, remainder 2. Check your work. Check your work like I did, right? Check your work. Multiply this by this and add the remainder. Let's do another one. Okay, you try this one yourself. You ask yourself, is the first digit enough? If not, then bring the second digit. Let's do another one. We have 63 divided by 5. Okay. So I'm teaching you how to organize your work. So always, okay, rewrite the question, rewrite it. Okay, now we want to figure out, okay, 63 divided by 5. Let's take the first digit. First digit, we always look at it. Is it enough to divide 5? Yes. Yes. What is 6 divided by 5? If we count by 5, this is 5, and then we go to 10. So we've gone too far if we count twice. So we're only going to count one. So 6 divided by 5 is 1. 1. As soon as we get a quotient, what do? We multiply by the divisor and we put it down here and we what? We subtract. We subtract. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Is 1 enough to divide the 5? No. But this time we cannot call the remainder because there is another digit here that we can bring down. It is 3. We bring 3 down. Now we have 13. We take the 13 again and then we divide 13 by 5. What is 13 by 5? Let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3. But if we get to 15, we've counted too far. So 13 divided by 5 is what? Is 2. As soon as we get a quotient, again, we multiply by the divisor. We put it down here. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and then what? We do what? We subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. Is 3 enough to divide 5? No. So that becomes what? A remainder. So 63 divided by 5 is what? Is 12, remainder 3. Check your work. All right, now try it. 70 divided by 6, you try it yourself. And then now let's apply it. Okay, let's say you go to a theme park and you're ready to go back to your hotel. There's a van picking people up back to the hotel. There are 45 people going to that hotel in the evening. Okay, a small van is going to pick up 45 people, but it can only take 7 people at a time. Okay, you get it? Just picture yourself with your parents and all the people there. There are 45 people. The van is going to pick you up, but it can only pick 7 people at a time. The question is, how many times would the van go back and forth? Would the van have to make to the hotel in order to complete the whole trip? So how many trips would the van make before everyone is transported back to the hotel? The second question is, how many people will be in the van on the last trip? Let's do this. Okay, let's make sense out of this question. Okay, let's break it down. There are 45 people. See that? 45 people. We are going to transport 7 at a time. Okay, let's just make a diagram. Let's draw a diagram. So 7, the first trip it takes 7 people. Second trip, another 7, 14 people will be gone. Another 7, 21, another 7, 28, another 7, 35, another 7, 42. Oops. We don't have 7 people left because that will go to 49, but we don't have 49 people. Okay, so now we have 6 trips so far. 42, 43, 44, 45. So it's going to go on a 7th trip, but it's going to have only 3 people left on it. Make sense? Simply put, this is division. 45 divided by 7. And if you follow what we've done so far, you should be able to do this and you realize this is 6 remainder 3. What does it mean? What does it mean? So it's going to make 6 trips of 7 people. And then the last trip, we will not have 7 people, we'll only have 3 people. And that will bring us a total of 45. Cool? Pause the video, review it, make sure you understand it. And then after that, go and practice your IXL exercises. Okay? All right. So what do I keep telling you? I say apply yourselves very well, and all things being equal, you shall bloom. You're going to be one of the very best. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.